Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to speed up your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account. So if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here of your website, where at the left side screen we can find all the sections we can access for managing our website, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and take a look at how we can go ahead and take a speed up of our website, what we can do to reduce lagginess, and so on. Basically guys, there are multiple options. You do not have directly a button that you can click to speed up your website, but there are a couple of things you can try out. Basically guys, what you can do is manage your media. Your media is the most important part of your website as well as your pages. You want to make sure you only have the amount of pages that you actually need and don't have any more to cluster up your website and reduce the speed, and you want to make sure you're only using media that you actually need. So make sure your media is in the smallest possible format so it doesn't use too much size, and make sure that you only have media that you're using. If you have some images that you don't really need on your website, you want to remove them, as this is going to go ahead and help out your website a lot and speed it up and reduce any lagginess. Basically, those are the main things you can try. You can just reduce everything on you have in your website to a minimum to improve the speed. And what you can also try guys is using a plugin. So if you open up the plugins right here at the left side screen, it's going to open up the plugins marketplace, where we can go ahead and find a plugin that's going to go ahead and enable us to speed up our website. So if you search for speed up, you can see you have multiple plugins you can use guys, such as Jetpack, that's going to enable you to speed up your website. You have this one right here that's going to enable you to improve load speed of your pages and save bandwidth, and so on. So you can try any of the plugins, go ahead and find them and install them and see how they flare up with your website, see if it will help anything. But basically that's what you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.